Hi everybody, Dane here with Stahls. In this video we're going to talk about how to use the customer mode. If you want to design with your customer on site with them sitting next to you, you don't want the branding or the pricing and that sort of thing showing. So let me go ahead and add a layout really quick here. There's the image. Let's just say we're going to redo this for your customer. If we want to do, I don't know, 24. If you take a look, the pricing is here, the branding is here, that sort of thing. Let's get rid of that. All we got to do is super easy, going into customer mode. Just go to the settings at the upper right hand corner, click on it and go to customer mode. And when you do that, there's no more branding, there's no more pricing, so you can sit with your customer and design whatever you're looking for. They like it, you can save their file, and then once they're done, you can just go right back to settings and hit design mode, and then everything's back like normal. You can go ahead and proceed forward and order your transfers. It's super easy, literally just clicking one radio button and you're good to go. So that's how you use the customer mode in the Stahls Easy View LTE Designer.